Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless vacuum is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools I've ever used. It seamlessly combines vacuuming and mopping, making your cleaning routine incredibly efficient. With its smart features and powerful performance, it tackles both dry debris and wet messes with ease. This all-in-one device not only saves you time but also ensures a thorough clean, leaving your floor spotless and your home feeling fresh. Number 5. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. This robot vacuum features a self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. It's bagless, so you don't need to buy any disposal bags. It has deep cleaning power to handle both large and small debris, as well as pet hair, on both carpets and floors. This ensures a thorough clean every time. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors. It pulls up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces in your home. It's engineered to pick up more hair and is anti-hair wrap. You can schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms using the Shark Clean app. It also works with voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This robot maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean right now. This feature allows you to customize your cleaning schedule. The robot methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. This ensures that every area of your home is cleaned efficiently. The Shark IQ robot vacuum will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. This ensures that the entire home is cleaned, even if it requires multiple charging cycles. What we like? This robot vacuum takes the hassle out of cleaning with its self-emptying base, which means you don't have to worry about emptying it for weeks. It also maps your home for efficient cleaning and can be controlled with your voice. If you have a busy lifestyle and want a hands-off cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It was incredibly easy to set up, and it mapped out my entire floor plan with perfect accuracy. One of my favorite features is how the mop automatically detaches when it moves onto carpet, such a smart design. The suction power is phenomenal, effortlessly picking up dust, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hardwood floors. Number 4. Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Introducing the Tineco Floor 1S3. It features iLoop smart sensor technology. This technology detects messes and adjusts the cleaning power for you, leaving your floor spotless and dry. This self-propelled cleaner vacuums and washes your floors simultaneously. It's a smart way to clean, saving you time and effort. You'll get an optimal clean in less time. The Floor 1S3 is cordless, lightweight, and easy to maneuver. It offers up to 35 minutes of runtime with optimized power usage. It makes cleaning a breeze. The 5-in-1 self-cleaning system keeps your hands clean and the machine fresh. It also helps keep your home odor-free. This feature makes maintenance simple. The LED display and voice assistant provide real-time cleaning information. Remember to use Tineco solution to prevent damage. Also, follow the instructions for assembly, charging, and maintenance, including cleaning the dirty water tank's detection pin. What we like? The Tineco Floor 1S3 is a game changer for hard floor cleaning, thanks to its iLoop smart sensor that adjusts cleaning power automatically. It vacuums and washes in one step, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a quick and efficient way to clean your sealed hard floors, this is the ideal solution. What people say. It is easy to handle and easy to clean and charge. It does a superb cleaning job as well. I have had mine for 6 months now and I am totally satisfied with its lightweight and performance. So basically, this is a floor machine that vacuums and scrubs your hard floors simultaneously, sucking up the dirty water and leaving your floors super clean. The floors dry so quickly, I wondered if it was a steam cleaner, too, but it's not. It just vacuums up the dirty water so well that there is very little left on the floor. And wow, the water in the dirty water tank is filthy. It also has a stand that also serves as a charging dock. It has easily changeable brush rollers and filters. The dirty water tank is easy to remove and clean. There is even a self-cleaning cycle that cleans the brush roller very well. The machine speaks to you, giving you status reports on the charging status, telling you when to run the self-cleaning cycle, when to refill the clean water tank, when to empty the dirty water tank, etc. This is actually pretty great. And it's extremely gratifying to see how dirty the water is after cleaning. Best of all, it's super quiet and maneuvers very well. For the money, this is an excellent hard floor cleaner. Easy to use, fantastic clean, quiet and relatively straightforward to refresh, ready for the next clean. Number 3. Tineco A11 Hero Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum. This vacuum cleaner has a powerful 450W motor. It can easily pick up dirt and dust from carpets. It offers 3 power modes, max, gentle, and daily. You can choose the right mode for different floor types, like hardwood or tile. This vacuum easily converts to a handheld. It includes several attachments for versatile cleaning, making it easier to reach difficult areas. The battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use. The quiet motor makes it suitable for use around children and pets. It has LED lights to illuminate dark areas. The accessories effectively remove pet hair. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver. The 4-stage filtration system captures fine particles. It expels cleaner air into your home, providing a healthier environment. What we like. This lightweight stick vacuum offers versatile cleaning with multiple power modes and a handheld option for various surfaces. It also boasts a long runtime, making it suitable for large homes. If you like a flexible and powerful vacuum for both floors and above floor cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. I love that my vacuum is hanging on my wall, easily accessible, and I don't have to hunt for a plug and move the plug to every room. I love that it is so light. I feel motivated to use it for the smallest messes because it's so light and accessible. I really like how this vacuum has 2 removable batteries, extending its run time. 1 battery would not be sufficient for a typical family house with multiple surfaces. I also really enjoy the wall mount, which beats most competitors and can also charge both batteries. Number 2. YHOVID Cleaning Solution for Tineco Vacuum Mop, 4-pack. This cleaning solution is designed to work with your Tineco wet dry vacuum mops and other mopping robot vacuums. It's compatible with a wide range of models, making it a versatile choice for your cleaning needs. The solution is perfect for various hard floor surfaces, such as hardwood, tile, and vinyl. It effectively removes dirt and stains, leaving your floors clean and refreshed. It's easy to use. Just mix a small amount of the concentrated solution with water. This ensures optimal cleaning performance with every use. This floor cleaner is formulated with a mild formula. It provides a safe and comfortable environment for your family. If you have any allergies, please discontinue use. This solution is designed to tackle tough messes in high-traffic areas. It's suitable for daily use in kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces, restoring the natural shine of your floors. What we like. This cleaning solution is designed to work seamlessly with your Tineco vacuum mop, offering compatibility across multiple models. It is suitable for various hard floor surfaces and effectively removes dirt and stains. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use cleaning solution for your hard floors, this is a great option. What people say. Works perfectly with my Tineco and Roborock mops. Leaves floor sparkling and smelling fresh. Cleaning my floor is a breeze with my mop vac and this cleaner. Number 1. Tineco A10A11 Vacuum Charger Replacement. Are you looking for a replacement charger for your Tineco vacuum? This is a compatible AC adapter. It's designed to work with specific Tineco models. This charger is compatible with Tineco A10 Hero, A10 Master, A11 Hero, and A11 Master vacuums. Please note that it is not compatible with other Tineco models or other brands. The adapter has an input of 100-240V and an output of 26V, 800 mAh. It features a DC barrel tip connector and a 6-foot power cable. The charger includes built-in smart IC chip with overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheat protection. This ensures the safety of your vacuum during charging. This charger only fits for 21.6V battery charger YLS0241A, T260080, DSC 550-260070W, 1SN, SP181017001. It is not compatible with Tineco Pure 1S11S12 series. If you have any issues with your order, please contact us. We're here to help you resolve any problems you may encounter. What we like. This charger replacement is specifically designed for Tineco A10 and A11 series vacuums, ensuring a perfect fit and safe charging. It features built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. If you need a reliable replacement charger for your Tineco vacuum, this is the one to choose. What people say. Works as advertised. Fits my Tineco A11 perfectly. Works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.